How to fix dark mode not showing on Instagram. Problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So guys, if you're trying to enable dark mode on Instagram and you're not able to, for example, if you go to the Instagram profile icon and go to settings, and here let me just scroll down and show you. If you go to accessibility and translation and you don't have any option, what you need to do is that first of all make sure to update your app from Google Play Store or App Store, okay, from here. And then after this, the second thing is that you just need to scroll down and go to the notification bar of your, WhatsApp, phone. And then here, after going to the notification bar, here you will get uh, dark mode option, okay. So just you need to turn on. After doing this, what you need to do is that you have to just go and check whether the problem has been solved or not, guys. If it is not solved, then what you need to do is that you have to just delete your Instagram and then reinstall it. Your problem will be absolutely solved. Thanks for watching.